threat has arrived on the riverbank. They're a roving pride of lions, undernourished and looking for territory. It's the dry season, a daily battle for survival. And like the hippos, they rely on both land and water. 12 lions of various ages. It's a lot of mouths to feed. To satisfy 12 bellies efficiently, they need to set their sights on big prey. They're hungry and thirsty. Temperatures are soaring over 100 degrees, and they can smell water. To get a drink, they need to breach the riverbank. But this is hippo country, and they must respect the bull's territory. Hippos are fiercely territorial and notoriously aggressive when defending their patch. Even lions give them a wide berth. But the pride male bows to no one. A single lion is no match for an enraged hippo 10 times his weight. The waterline marks the boundary, and to cross it, he'd better be primed for battle.